Welcome back, my friends. It's time to discuss conversion of termination kind of decimals into the form of m by n. Okay. If I have a number like m by n, how to convert into the decimal form? By long division. Okay, we saw that. It's time to learn in reverse. If I have a decimal number and in specific there is a terminating kind of decimal number, how can I convert into the fraction form, m by n form? The strategies. Okay, there are some steps. Remove decimal point from the numerator and put as many zeros as denominator as the number of digits after the digit point. Convert the rational number obtained into its lowest term by dividing the numerator and denominator by their common factor. Okay. With the proper example, you will understand. Don't at all worry about this point. Let's start. Convert the following decimals numbers into the form of m by n. First number is 0.35. Be with me, how can I convert 0.35 into the form of m by n or p by q? Yeah, okay. The number is 0.35. And 0.35 after decimal two numbers are there. So I will write this like 35 divided by. If I remove all the decimals, this number is 0.35, which is 35. If I ignore all the decimals, the number is 35. Now divided by how after decimal how many numbers are the 1, 2. So 100 number. So 0.35 is 35 by 100. Okay, what is 35 by 100? If I am dividing by 100, two decimals to the left, again it is 0.35. Okay, 0.35 I can write it like 35 by 100. Now, usually a fraction we reduce it to the minimum always. 35, 10, 100 both have the common factor 5. 35 by 5 the answer is 7 and 100 by 5 the answer is 20. 7 by 20 is the required answer. It's time to discuss question number 2. What is question number 2? Question number 2 is 0.175. What were the steps? What were the steps? Step number 1, 0.175 is equal to, if I remove all the decimal part, if I just ignore the decimal part, this number is 0.175 or 175 divided by 1. And how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Total 3 decimal points are there. So 3 zeros. 175 divided by 1000 is this number. 175 divided by 1000. Okay, let's continue. 0.175 is equal to, I got 175 divided by 1000, but we will not stop here. Why? Usually a decimal number, a fraction, I will write it in minimal form. 175 I can divide it by 5000 also I can divide it by 5. In 175 by 5, what is it? In 17, how many 5s are there? The answer is 3. 3 into 5, 15. Reminder 2, in 25, how many 5s are there? The answer is 535 by. In 1000, how many 5s are there? In 10, there is 2. In 0, there is 0. In 0, there is 2. Again, it's not over. 35, 200, both are divisible by 5. 35 by 5. The answer is 7. 200 by 5. In 20, how many 5s are there? The answer is 440. 7 by 40 is the answer we are searching for. Okay, the last question, question number 3. 0.0025. What is the m by n form of 0.0025? What are the steps? Question number 3. 0.0025. Write it in the m by n form. Strategy is simple. What is the strategy? 0.0025. If I ignore all the decimal part, this number is 0025 or just 25 divided by. After decimal 1, after decimal how many zeros are, how many decimal points are the how 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros. So 25 divided by 10,000 is this number. Okay, 25 divided by 10,000. This is equal now 25, 10,000. Both are divisible by 5. In 25, how many 5s are there? The answer is 5. In 10,000, how many 5s are there? In 10, 2 5s. In this 0, 0 5. In this 0, 0 5. In this 0, 0 5. 10,000 by 5 is 2,000. Now this again I can reduce. 5 I can reduce by 5. 2,000 also I can divide by 5. 5 by 5, the answer is 1. 2,000 by 5. 20, how many 5s are there? The answer is 4. In 0, how many 5s are there? 0. In 0, how many 5s are there? 0. 1 by 400 is the required answer. Okay. So this is how we convert a terminating decimal expansion into the m by n form. For a rational number, two choices are there. The decimal expansion is either terminating or repeating. We done with the terminating. Repeating we will discuss in the next class. Thank you all.